Hey, if you've ever wondered how traders seem to predict crypto price movements before the rest of the market catches on, today's video is going to blow your mind. We're diving into cryptocurrency price prediction using machine learning and how tools like ZenChain AI make this not only possible, but practical for everyday traders like you and me. Let's be real. Most people lose money in crypto because they're late. They spend hours scrolling through charts, chasing hype on social media, or guessing based on rumors. By the time they buy in, whales have already made their move. The result? Missed opportunities and painful losses. But what if you could flip that script? What if you had a system that uses machine learning to analyze whale activity, social sentiment, and blockchain data in real time, giving you a predictive edge before the crowd even notices? That's exactly what ZenChain AI was built to do. Here's how it works. Machine learning thrives on patterns. In crypto, whales, those multi-million-dollar wallets, leave digital footprints every time they buy or sell. ZenChain AI tracks these movements across chains like Ethereum and Solana, then applies machine learning models to identify trends, correlations, and anomalies. Instead of staring at charts for hours, you get instant insights. Which tokens whales are buying right now? Which projects they're dumping? Sentiment analysis pulled from millions of social posts. Predictive signals showing where price momentum is likely headed. This isn't guesswork. It's data-driven prediction powered by AI. Imagine this. ZenChain AI spots $1.4 million flowing into a token within 38 minutes. The machine learning model flags it as a high-conviction buy. You get the alert, copy the contract, and swap in. Within hours, the token doubles. You take profits, swap out, and now you're playing with house money. Or picture tracking meme coins. Normally, they're risky and unpredictable. But with ZenChain AI's sentiment engine, you can see whether the buzz is bullish, bearish, or neutral, and make smarter decisions in minutes instead of gambling blindly. The beauty of machine learning is speed. Traditional research is slow. By the time you've read reports or scrolled through Twitter threads, whales have already moved. ZenChain AI compresses hours of research into click-ready dashboards. Market overview. BTC dominance, fear and greed index, top gainers. Whale tracker, in tokens and out tokens across wallets. Wallet research, see exactly what whales are holding long term. Sentiment reports, AI compiled insights from top crypto voices. All of this means you're no longer late, you're early. And in crypto, being early is everything. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds complex, but here's the kicker. ZenChain AI was designed so even beginners can use it. You don't need to be a chart analyst or blockchain expert. The interface is simple, the training is step-by-step, and there's a full community to support you. Whether you're trading from your laptop or your phone, you can get in, get out, and repeat the process. And because the system is built on machine learning, it keeps improving daily as more data flows in. So here's the question. Are you going to keep guessing, or are you ready to start predicting? With ZenChain AI, you're not just watching the market, you're anticipating it. You're following smart money, leveraging machine learning, and positioning yourself ahead of the curve. For less than the cost of dinner and a movie, you can unlock a tool that acts like a crypto crystal ball. And with the market projected to hit trillions in the coming years, the timing couldn't be better. If you're serious about trading smarter, not harder, now's the time to act. Check out ZenChain AI, explore the dashboard, and see for yourself how machine learning can transform your crypto journey. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable crypto insights, and drop a comment below with the coin you're most excited about right now. Until next time, trade smart, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.